Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today for our going antiviral series, I'm going to talk about tea tree oil. Right now we're looking at a difficult time where we are finding ourselves doing things ourselves, making our own products and trying to stay healthy. If you're making your own hand sanitizer, or if you have a diffuser and you want to try to combat viruses that are affecting our way of life, using essential oils will be a way to fortify whatever you are doing. In this series, we're going to talk about some antiviral essential oils. As we know, when a plant is in the natural world trying to survive, it will develop its own antibodies, and it will come out of a plant or a tree as an oil, an essential oil. And these oils are used to help a plant survive against fungus, bacteria, viruses, all kind of things that might attack a plant. And so we extract these essential oils and we can use them. And it's not a coincidence that you are starting to see a lot more essential oils and a lot of over-the-counter products, because there is research and there's anecdotal kind of stories that shows that these essential oils can be very beneficial for us. We're going to talk about tea tree oil. Tea tree oil, in my opinion, is one of the mothers of antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial. This is a wonderful and all-around very good essential oil. Disclaimer, I am not endorsing any of the essential oils or products that you see, any particular company, okay? These are essential oils that I've had in my own collection that I use for my own do-it-yourself projects, and some of them are not exactly all therapeutic. This particular tea tree oil, I've been using this for a very long time, and buying it at Trader Joe's. What you want to do when you look for an essential oil, you want to look to see if you can find the Latin name of it. We call this tea tree oil, but the actual name, the Latin name, is called Melaleuca. So I look in the back. I don't know if you can see it. This looks a little blurry here, but right here where it says ingredients, it has it listed here. The actual Latin, you get a little bit, okay, there we go. It has the Latin name of it on the back right there. So you know, that's your first step to know that it is a legitimate essential oil and is not just a fragrance oil. You just don't want fragrance. Therapeutic uses for tea tree oil. A lot of times you can put it in like your oil, not your oils, your lotions, or you want to put it in your shampoo or conditioner or body wash. Tea tree oil, put a couple of drops of this in your do-it-yourself hand sanitizer, and you have really given your hand sanitizer a real good boost. Okay, I have never tried tea tree oil in a diffuser, and I probably wouldn't recommend it. You know, it's a pretty strong smelling pretty strong smelling oil, and this is very strong. If I put this on my skin full strength, I will break out. I will get an allergic reaction to it. So I always cut tea tree oil with something. So like I said, if you're going to put this in your hand sanitizer, you would want to, like I always say, less is more. And I will have a link to my do-it-yourself hand sanitizer down below. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. So be safe out there, and until next time.